I'll work a little on this off camera, not to bore you guys to death here. But yeah, I'll try to level everything out, see how everything stands, and I'll give you guys a quick little update afterwards. Try to get this massive slab in here before it gets too dark. It's going to be a great bottom. It's going to really keep it cool, so I hope that get down there without breaking. I would like to just drop it in the hole. Oh, there we go. That's in there quite nicely. It's not even really touching the bottom. I'd have to dig out just the corners a little bit. I had to turn my lights on to see something. Yeah, very dark at this point. I'll give you guys a better look another time, but I'm just adding rocks now around the entire thing just to kind of keep the cool. Yeah, so there's a big slab at the bottom. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I actually chipped the corner off of it because I was too heavy and let it drop. And it's all rock bottom at the bottom of the cellar, and it kind of chipped it, so whatever, I don't really care. But now it's done. The slab doesn't move anymore. It looks cool. I'll try and put my cooler back in there and see what happens, but for now I'll carry in a few more rocks. Put in a bit more. So yeah, I'll try to take my phone and give you guys a better look. Yeah, this is with my phone as a flashlight. There you go. Slab's in. It's around 8 o'clock. It's a good day's work. But yeah, here's the final slab that's going at the bottom. Now time to put the cooler. I'm touching on the stones. That's awesome. Cooler works. And there's a room for a bunch more stuff. Cans and dried goods. Well, that's awesome. I would really love to, well, first of all, clean stuff up in here and put my vise right in that corner. but I doubt I'll be able to, just because when the wood's there, I have all my bricks, but I'd really like to just start putting the wood cord in nicely. I think that would be a good idea. I need to start really cording this up a proper way, just so it stops tumbling down. But I'll go get some more rebar, because I brought some last time, and I should be ready to go. For now, that'll do. Let's get a few small screws. Now the problem's going to be for the bottom. Clean this out a little bit more. Be awesome if I could use the bricks I have left, but I really doubt it. Cleaning up the ground a little bit. This would literally need to be stacked up. I don't know if this would be a good idea, or putting one brick and then a log underneath. I think think the log would be a much better idea. Need to find a good sized one. Got a nice log, cut it 10 inches. Need to pack this thing up. It's actually cut nice and straight. That's awesome. Okay. See if I have any better screws. I found these big square washers, but they're all I have, so they'll have to do for now. There, one. Actually doesn't look bad because they're square, so I could actually line them up. There we go. That's a decently solid leg vise. Now, I need to sharpen my saw, have something in a vise, have a cool vise, and it's period correct, so that's badass. I don't have a rear mount here. Usually these are like really ornate, so I made myself one years ago when I actually got this thing. I found it at a flea market for a good deal because it didn't have all the parts with it. I just think it's awesome. So yeah, finally have a cool leg vise.